person who invented the steelworks was truly a genius. First, a truckload of iron ore is brought in. The coal is then heated to around 1,000 degrees Celsius and subjected to dry distillation to drive off volatile substances, ultimately transforming it into coke, an indispensable raw material for iron making. Iron making takes place in a blast furnace like this. Air is blown in to burn the coke. The high-temperature gases produced are used to reduce the iron ore. This continues until the impurities are removed and molten pig iron flows out. The slag that floats on top of the pig iron is directed into a slag pot. At this stage, the molten iron is still not steel. The actual steel making comes next. A certain proportion of scrap steel is added to the molten iron, and 3 large graphite electrodes are inserted. An electric arc is struck between the electrodes, generating extremely high temperatures that melt everything in the furnace. Once the electrodes are withdrawn, what remains is a batch of molten steel with a lower carbon content than the original pig iron. This molten steel is then fed into a continuous casting machine. It flows into the casting molds, and water is sprayed to solidify it into billets. When they reach the desired length, they are cut.